Hi Stampers, this is Dawn and today we're going to make this really cute Valentine candy holder. We're using the Hey Love stamp set along with the All My Love designer paper. And then you'll notice on the back side I also stamped the Happy Valentine's Day greeting. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm going to start with the measurements. The Flirty Flamingo cardstock is cut at 3.5 by 3.5. And then the All My Love designer paper, which is cut at 3.25 by 3.25, and then a piece of Whisper White, which is also cut at 3.25 by 3.25. And you'll notice on this designer paper it has Crumb Cake, Balmy Blue, Flirty Flamingo, and then also a little touch of the Lovely Lipstick. And you'll notice on these two, I made one in the Lovely Lipstick, which you can see that, and then this one is in the Crumb Cake. So I wanted to show you all three colors, and then we're making the Flirty Flamingo one. All right, so then we're going to use a piece of the Flirty Flamingo, and this piece is cut at 1/2 inch by 3.5. All right, so we're going to first do some stamping. So let me grab my cardstock. I'm going to use the Whisper White, and then we're going to punch with the Flirty Flamingo. These are the two stamp sets we're using. Hey Love with the Gorilla, and then we're also using the I'm Ape Over You, and then the Hey Valentine. And then for the back side, we're using the Meant to Be stamp set, which is for the Happy Valentine's Day. We're going to be using the Memento ink because we're going to be using our Stampin' Blends, learn our Gorilla. And we're going to use the Flirty Flamingo and then the Smoky Slate combo in the Stampin' Blends. Let me get all my images out here. Do some stamping. Okay, so we're going to stamp our Gorilla first. And then I'm Ape Over You. Okay, and then this is the 3.25 by 3.25 inch piece of Whisper White. We're going to go ahead and stamp our greeting on that since we have the ink out. And this is just says Happy Valentine's Day. Just going to stamp that right in the center. All right, so let's go ahead and move our ink. Okay, so we're going to start coloring. We're going to use the Smoky Slate first. We're going to color in his face, his hands, and his feet, and then also his belly. So let me go ahead and color him in. He's so cute. And then for my heart, I'm going to use the Flirty Flamingo in the dark. Okay, now this one with the Lovely Lipstick, I used the Lovely Lipstick for the heart. Okay, all right, so let's grab our punches. We're going to punch out the Gorilla with the 2-inch circle punch. He fits in there so cute. And then the 2.25 inch circle punch, we're going to punch out with the Flirty Flamingo. Then the 1 inch for the I'm Ape Over You. Then the 1 1/8 scallop circle punch with the Flirty Flamingo. Okay, so this is what I did for the Hey Valentine. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut this out. Okay, and then I would layer this onto the Flirty Flamingo, which is what I did for this one here. Let me grab it. Okay, and then you just cut that out just like that. Okay, all right, now let's go ahead and put our pieces together. Okay, so now this piece, we're going to put our designer paper on one side and then our greeting for the Happy Valentine's Day, let me grab that, we're going to put that on the back side. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so then we're going to take our 1/2 inch by 3.5 inch piece. We're going to put adhesive on both ends, just a little tiny bit. And we're going to position this right across the center of our 3.5 piece of Flirty Flamingo, just like that. And then we're going to take our handheld punch. This is the 1/8 or 1/16 handheld punch. And I'm going to punch on the inside part where the designer paper is. And I'll explain why we're doing that here in a second. Okay, then we're going to take our brads, and these are the metallic brads. Let me show you here. Mine's kind of getting low, but you get the gold, the copper, the silver, and then you get multiple sizes too. And we're going to use the silver. Let me show you the other two here. So this one with the Lovely Lipstick, I used the copper. And then for the crumb cake one, I used the gold. Okay, so on this one, we're going to use the silver. So I happen to have these two out. So just going to go ahead and put these into our little punch outs here. Okay, so remember why we wanted to punch on the inside part of the designer paper is because when we flip this over, we want this piece of Whisper White to cover up the backings of the brads. So with just a little repositioning of the backings, you should be able to cover them really nicely. Okay, so let's go ahead and put our adhesive on this. So now we're just going to go ahead and make sure this covers up your brads on the back, just like that. All right, now we're going to put our gorilla and the greeting and then the Hey Valentine onto the front. But first, before we do that, we're going to take our little gummy bears and you're going to pop this centerpiece out and you're going to wiggle these inside of that little holder there. And it's going to be snug, but you want it to be snug so it doesn't fall out, right? Okay, so now we're going to put our greeting and our little gorilla on the front. We're going to grab some dimensionals. I'm just going to put one on the 1/2 inch strip on the front and take the gorilla, put him on there. Then we're going to take the mini dimensionals. I'm going to put one dimensional here on the, I guess on the right hand side of his arm, and then one up on top, which is where the Hey Valentine's going to go. Okay, so we're going to take I'm Ape over you over here, and then the Hey Valentine. I just want to make sure my Happy Valentine's Day wasn't upside down. So then put the Hey Valentine, I'm Ape over you. Isn't that cute? And of course you could add some Winkastella, which I'm going to do. I'm going to add some Winkastella to the heart that he's holding. Just a little bit. Just add some shimmer to your little gorilla there. Okay, so there's the Flirty Flamingo. And then here's the crumb cake. And then here's the lovely lipstick one. Aren't they cute? So I have all the items listed below that I used on today's project. And then also, if you like today's video, click the like button. And then if you love today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you later. Bye.